What's the last few years been like for Mindvalley? What do the next 3 years look like for Mindvalley? What's it been like to run this cutting edge company with so many random things happening, to go through lockdown when you had live events? What's it been like?
Well, I think there are two things which I'm trying to do as I build Mindvalley. So Mindvalley already at this point is probably the world's biggest platform for mind, body, and spirit, the biggest platform in the world. And I look back at how it's grown and I'm in awe. But I think there are two things that make it happen. The first thing is I never sought to be a guru. Yes, I teach on Mindvalley, but as of today, there are 65 other teachers on Mindvalley, including Tal Ben-Shahar, who's the #1 professor at Harvard University, Mae Musk, who's Elon's mother, right? So many other teachers. You don't have to like my teachings. There are teachers on fitness, teachers on leadership, teachers on happiness, teachers on entrepreneurship. It's a very diverse platform. So we are extremely against guruship. I firmly believe you should never have one guru. You need to be in the center, and you need to look at all of the other teachers, and then you validate them. And you should be free to jump from one to one. So I'm not even the only meditation teacher on Mindvalley. Sadhguru is on Mindvalley. Maybe you like his techniques more. Emily Fletcher, who teaches at Harvard and at Google, is on Mindvalley. Maybe you like her techniques more, and that's okay. And the second thing that I really pay attention to is, will this truly transform people? Right? So transformation is the key thing. On our website, we are approaching 18,000 case studies of lives transformed. And about 1% of our customers will submit a case study. So it's about 100 times that in terms of actual lives transformed. But I care about, when you go through this modality, will it give you a really powerful transformation in as little time as possible? Because all of us are busy. So I'm not interested in like 1 hour long meditation practices. We want to look at the science. What will create the biggest effect in the tiniest amount of time? And that's my obsession. And that's really what Mindvalley is built on.
And what are the challenges for the next few years? And how was it the last few years? Was it challenging?
So it is.
Lockdown hard?
Well, since COVID, we've more than doubled.
Okay.
Right? We've more than doubled, and we're staying there. And I think a big reason is word of mouth. People go through a transformation. It physically changes them. Their friends go up to them and like, how did you lose all of that weight? How did you transform your body? And then their friends want to join. If you look at the old videos of me on London Real and me today, you'll see my face shape has changed. That's because between my last London Real appearance and today, I've gone from maybe 22% body fat to around 13% body fat. Literally, and I've reversed aging based on tests that show you your body's age. Thank you. It's because I'm obsessed with transformation. Look, Brian, the inescapable truth is that I'm dying. You're dying. We're all dying. And I want to extend my life as long as possible. And so a big part of transformation for me is longevity. I want to live to see my great-grandkids. And that's one of the reasons I'm so excited about this field.
Yeah. And then going forward, you want to continue expanding Mindvalley.
I think we need to have big goals for ourselves. And my goal, my personal goal, is we have 18,000 case studies right now. I want to be able to get to 1 million case studies before I die.
A lot of amazing stories.
And to get to 1 million case studies, you got to touch about 100 million lives.
Okay, so that's the plan.
Yeah.
All right, and so keep building, keep expanding, keep bringing in other specialists, keep doing your live events. All of that is the future of Mindvalley.
Right.
You recently consciously uncoupled with your wife and business partner.
Well, it was 4 years ago. Right.
Was it 4 years ago? Mm-hmm. Wow, I'm always late with watching your stuff. And you had a party and celebrated it, and I was just fascinated by the way you handled that in a very Mindvalley way. How was that experience?
I think it was a beautiful experience. I'm still very close to my ex-wife. We raise our kids together. And she's the most incredible woman and the most incredible mom. When I started Mindvalley and I had to leave New York and move to Malaysia, she gave up her career in Estonia and she moved to Malaysia with me. So after we consciously uncoupled, I told her, look, you pick where you want to be and I will move, right? And so I moved to Estonia. It's a small country. Most of my work is in London and LA and Dubai, and those are probably better for my career, but I'm a man who puts my kids first. And so she moved, the children are usually with her, so she moved to Estonia. It's a great place for our children. And therefore I decided to, my career can wait, but I decided to move to Estonia so I can spend the time I have right now with my kids with them. My son's going to head out to college in 2.5 years. My daughter's going to head to high school in 2.5 years. We're going to move to London at that point. But for now, my kids come first, and that's why I'm in Estonia.
So Jim Rickards has just recorded a video that's not available to anyone in the public, and he's going to be talking about how this upcoming recession is going to be fast, it's going to be bloody, it's going to be nasty. But at the same time, he's going to show you how you can position yourself to profit from all of this chaos. Now, we've made this video only available to our viewers. Go to londonreal.tv/Jim. Watch that immediately. I can't say enough good things about Jim Rickards. He understands the global economic system better than any guest I've ever had on London Real. His predictions are almost uncannily true, and you can learn how to profit from his vision, from his expertise, and his understanding of economics. So go to londonreal.tv/Jim or click the link below. It's an excellent, excellent look on what's going to happen in the future and how you can position yourself to profit from that. Jim is one of the best in the business, one of my favorite guests on London Real, and he's very, very good at predicting the future and showing us all to profit from it. So click the link, and I hope you enjoy. Hey, it's Brian Rose, founder of the DeFi Academy. I've told you my 4-week crypto bootcamp is amazing, but don't take my word for it. This is what my students are saying.
The DeFi Academy was an amazing experience for me. It took me totally out of my comfort zone.
In this course, I was challenged, I was held accountable, and pushed to do things that honestly weren't always easy.
It's been phenomenal, and I can't believe we're already up on our 4 weeks. It has flown by.
Going through this DeFi accelerator by far was one of the best courses I've taken.
You do this course, you really get into the nitty-gritty of the activities that will make you comfortable with decentralized finance.
Thank you so much to Brian and everyone at London Real and the DeFi Academy for even putting together an amazing course like this.
Anybody else that wants to do it, please sign up. It is well worth the money.